Today, I'm making a dream come true and purchasing a C6 Corvette. And I'm nervous, so, but about to head there and check it out, and we'll go from there, so stay tuned. So good. Runs good. Torch red. Terrible parking job. Badging everything. Well, I have to wrap it anyways, but we'll see. But I'm excited. We'll see how it goes.
Yeah.
No, I'm okay. Thanks so.
Break.
That's good. You mind if I show this thing off?
Yeah, go ahead.
Dude, that's wild. You said it was a Malibu?
Well, it's, you know, it's a Chevelle Malibu, and it's a Yanko 427. It's 450 horse, but I had it rebuilt.
Wow.
You know, so it's You can go down inside of it.
Pretty
look
neat.
inside it, because people want to see that white.
Oh yeah, that's the.
This will tell you right here what it was.
Oh yeah, I read the 3,800 base price.
Yep.
Not no more.
And then this right here was it. This is an L88 Corvette. It's got winter heads and a winter intake. It's got everything it's right. It's a Baldwin motion. So it's got the ET wheels. It's got the hooker headers on it.
Here she is. Crazy. Dream come true. Wow. I don't even know what to say. Crazy. Unfortunately, it's a bad day out. We'll be filming some more content later. Pick up the girlfriend and surprise her with the C6. So we'll see what she thinks. Now we're just waiting. She should be out here soon. She's gonna freak out. All right, let's go surprise her. She's outside. 2012 C6, 32,000 miles. She clean. Needs a wrap though. New headlights. Probably new wheels. What do you think?
That's pretty cool.